Here's another beautiful restoration by Land Cruiser Restorations. This is done up in a beautiful color. It's called Venetian Blue Porsche color. It's nearly flawless if you take a look at it. The camera's not going to do it justice. Those are our rock sliders that we make. This is a customer's choice on these black rims. I really like the retro look. Roof rack, front and rear spotlights. Really turned out nice. So if you're interested in a restoration on a 60, 62 or any Land Cruiser, give us a call. We'll custom build it for you. Whatever you want, whatever color you like. This cruiser has a 5.3 Chevy Vortec 6L80E automatic transmission, all new suspension, undercarriage treatment, headers, dual exhaust. Really gorgeous. Take a look at it. The client decided to retain his interior seats. I'll show in a moment. They got dual batteries, like I said, a 5.3 Chevy Vortec, custom radiator, electric fans, cold air intake. LED headlights, 8,000 pound Warren winch. Take a look at the interior. Client decided to retain his original seats, seat covers. We got a 7-inch screen. It's got Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera, center console that we make. All the controls are on the front of the console. It is lockable. It's got a new headliner. Swing out tire carrier and ladder. New speakers in the rear. We've got an inverter for him as well. Really nice cruiser. If you guys are interested in a restoration, check us out, Land Cruiser Restorations. Thank you.